What is going on with Shiba Inu? I mean, its price is still going up. Well, I'm going to be talking about that with you guys in this video. And I actually did go over some of the price analysis in my live stream yesterday. And ironically, I called it like to a T. I called it. But we'll go ahead and talk about that in a second here. I want to say a special shout out thank you to my Patreon supporters and a double shout out thank you to Rem AG and Mark Swenson for being higher tiered level supporters. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinions, my own research. I highly encourage you guys to go do your own research as well. So what I had talked about in my stream yesterday is that looking at a couple different metrics, it largely suggested that Shiba Inu was going to see some resistance at 50 cents. And also from a basic fundamental standpoint, psychologically, you think in increments of 25 in these price movements, 25, 50, 75, 100, 50 played a valuable role. And that's what happened. For the high of the day, it hit 49.65, like right on that range of 50 before it had a rejection back. But what led to the further rally up? We have a couple different news articles that I'm going to share with you. And let's go ahead and start off with this first. New record, Shiba reaches an astonishing 785,000 plus holders. Current holders count is 787,212. The top 1,000 Ethereum wallets is holding approximately $1.2 billion. Okay. In addition to that, that's the same one. In addition to that, Shiba Inu gains 10% overnight as Ethereum whale invests $11 million. Another article says that Shiba Inu coin soars 22% to another record after crypto whale buys 277 billion tokens. So I believe the 277 billion tokens is in conjunction pretty well with the $11 million that was invested here. So yeah. Experienced a rise price by almost over 50% recently. Shiba Inu gains 10% and became the 11th biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market value for the first time. Shiba Inu coin, also known as a Dogecoin spinoff, was initially introduced as a bit of a joke, but now it has been in the mainstream news after Shiba Inu gains 10% overnight. I mean, it's not in the mainstream news after gaining 10%. It's been gaining quite a bit. I would say that it's more noteworthy the amount of holders in it, the fact that there was this large buy order, the fact that it's number 11 in the top cryptocurrency list. Those are noteworthy things. The fact that, it went up 10% in one night. I don't think that's the case. Obviously, they focused on other elements in this article. I should actually point over this way. But yeah, so here's the thing. The market right now as a whole is starting to take a bit of a hit. Bitcoin in the last 30 minutes of me doing, before me doing this video, it was at $62,000. So it's dropped $1,500 as of the time of me saying this. It almost went down to 60,000. It was at 60,100 or so. So a 4% drop does hurt the market. Ethereum seeing in the red a little bit. BNB also just slightly in the red. Bitcoin might have a further drop, but I tried looking around on the news, seeing if anything constituted why Bitcoin's taking a hit. I can't find anything right now. So this might just be simple trading activity that's going on. Okay. Now, does that have a reflection impact into other cryptocurrencies like the altcoins? Yeah, it can. But, something to keep in mind, too, is that we have for Shiba Inu 1, 2, 3, 4 days that have closed in the green each day with a pretty significant amount of percentage increase. And for today, just today alone, it's up almost 11%. And that's after it pulled back here some. So that 50 cents was a level of resistance. If this can stabilize itself a bit, trying to make another run, passing that, well, not 50 cents, sorry, it's 5-0. So if it can manage to break above that, then it can make up to its next run. And right now we're in all-time highs for Shiba Inu. So I'd say the next major level to be looking for is going to be at that 75. It will probably hit different levels on its way over to that, and then we could better identify the trends. But if this thing decides that it just wants to make a run for the sake of making a run, it could go up to 75. Don't forget that you do have large whale dominance with things. And so if these whales decide that they want to end up selling, that could have a bit of an impact. The RSI is also suggesting that this is way overbought. So there's some concern there. The technical radar chart also went from a strong buy to a buy, even starting to lean a little bit towards neutral right there. So the sentiment is starting to kind of cool down. Volume is still holding up pretty well. especially in comparison to a lot of the other recent days. So Shiba Inu, am I bullish or bearish right now? I'm leaning a little bit more bearish for the short term, but I still feel that there's a lot of upside potential. I just don't know how the rest of the market is going to react with Bitcoin's price instability at the moment and the recent price runs that's been going on with Shiba Inu. So I'm starting to see a little bit more kickback. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow was a bit of a red day, but I own Shiba Inu. I love it. I also support other cryptocurrencies. So if this can make a run, great. But bias aside, what do I think? Not financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion. It's my own research. Like I said, I encourage you guys to do your own research. I'm leaning towards this potentially having a red day over the next 24 hours. So we'll see if any other news comes out, any other catalysts that suggest why it should continue to make a strong rally. We are technically seeing some pullback off of that 50 range right now, so that gives it some time. But we got another 2 hours until a new daily candle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I do have referral links in the description. If you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock, feel free to check that out. And it's free money. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. And also click the bell icon. I go live sometimes, and I would love to have you guys be in there. Thank you. I will see you in the next episode.